Hey, what up? We in Vonte's world. Vonte's world. Vonte's world. We're just living in it.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Actually, I got the Rex with me. Rex. Actually, I got the recipe. Yeah. Actually, these niggas mad at me. Why? Mad at me cause I smash his freak. Damn.
It's your world, it's my world, it's Vonte's world, man. Welcome back to the channel. And I'm back with another video, man. Today, look, I'm outside, so I don't know how well y'all gonna be able to hear me as cars driving by. But I had to take my Impala to the shop. I dropped it off at the shop earlier today. I went and had some breakfast. Now I'm walking back up here to the shop, which is not too far away. And we're gonna see if they finish. Now, I had to drop the Impala off to get some work done on it. Something that I could have done myself. I probably should have done it myself and saved some money. But as y'all know, here in Michigan, man, it's getting cold as shit. And I ain't really trying to be up under a car on the ground and shit when it's cold and shit like that. So I could have done this job myself and saved some money, but go ahead and take the easy route this time. So now I had to get the front sway bar replaced on this Impala. I had plans to do it, but you know, during the summertime we was doing all the work on the charger. Then, you know, we started doing other stuff. So we just got sidetracked. I never got around to do it. So we finally getting that taken care of, getting that done today, man. Hopefully, you know, it's something that they can do expeditiously, you know what I'm saying? Because I ain't trying to be up here waiting all day, and I still got other stuff to do today. But yeah, man, so that's what's going on. We got the Impala up here at the shop right now. It's getting a sway bar replaced on it. Cost like they charging me like $200 to do it. I had already bought the sway bar myself and the joints, so it cost me about almost $400 to do this total job. I could have saved $200 if I did it myself, but it's cool though. So yeah, we walking right up here right now, you know what I'm saying? Walking right back up to the shop. About to see if they finish, if they done with it. But y'all see it, man. They got me together on the charger last time I was here when I had the transmission issues. My shit is still sitting. They ain't even touched my shit yet. Wow, that's crazy. My shit is still sitting. They ain't even touched my shit yet. That's crazy. Let's go up in here, man. Start on my shit, yeah. Guess I'm gonna have to wait. What this? What's up?
What up, though?
Y'all start on the Impala yet or no?
Out there. Give me about 12. Yeah, we're working on it. We're almost done. Not yet, that blue one?
No, the gray one right there.
Someone in here shortly, man.
Okay. So, y'all, they didn't even get started on my shit yet. Fuck. Oh, this is driving way better. So, we back in the Impala now, you know what I'm saying? Back in the MPZ. That shit was whack, that shit was corny. My bad. Yeah, so I just picked the Impala up, you know what I'm saying? We had the sway bar replaced. Now, let me tell y'all what it was feeling like when I was driving it before and what was really going on. And I could tell already that it's, you know what I'm saying, no longer doing that. So before, yeah, what it was doing was, it was like it was kind of hard for me to stay in my lane as I was driving. You know, before I could kind of feel myself just kind of wiggling back and forth, slightly to the left, slightly to the right, you know what I'm saying? And on the freeway too, you know, it was kind of like if I lean one way a little bit, like I could kind of really feel the car lean like that in that direction. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, that's what it was, the sway bar, you know what I'm saying? Because the car wasn't fully balanced, because on the right side, and I think I might have said this in the other video, or I might not have said, I might have said it off camera, but when I had painted my brake calipers on the right side, on the passenger side in the front, and I took the wheel off, I could see the sway bar was broken on that side. So when I saw that, I'm like, damn, that's why it's kind of been hard to stay in my lane and just feel like the car is stable. You know what I'm saying? So that was something that I really wanted to get fixed before the winter time, because it's a whole, you know, all the Michiganders know, you know, it's a whole different experience driving in the snow and the you know what I'm saying, ice and shit and all that shit. So we definitely want to have stability for the winter time. You know what I'm saying? That's a must have, especially being that this car gonna be my daily driver. But yeah, so we got it fixed now. I can tell it's more stable now. Just driving it up the street, like I ain't really went nowhere. I'm just leaving from the shop, so I can tell it's way more stable now. But I'm about to hop on the freeway and really test it out for real. But I want to talk to y'all about what's going on with the car. First and foremost, let me say, man, I've been slacking on these videos, bro, and you know, I'm kind of like need to get my shit together. But it's been plenty of videos that I recorded that y'all ain't even seen, because I just feel like it wasn't entertaining enough, man. So I'm about to start just trying to do some different shit to keep y'all entertained. As y'all can see, I've been vlogging. I've been doing some videos on this iPhone 12 camera, and I'm really liking it. You know what I'm saying? I like the wide angle, especially when I'm in the car, so y'all can really see, you know what I'm saying, what's going on. And I feel like I can bring y'all the vibe that I'm trying to create. You know what I'm saying? So I'm really liking these the iPhone 12 camera. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna be doing a lot more videos off my phone. I think I'm gonna try to do the chrome wrap again. Try to get a different brand this time, maybe higher quality brand if I can find one. I think I'm gonna attempt it one more time. Now, but at the same time, it's just like, I don't know, man, because I feel like I want to sell this car, and I don't want to put too much work into it. And the wrap already didn't work one time, so I just sell this car and then get something else to do, start working on that. I don't know, man. Let me know in the comment section what y'all think. Should I try to do the wrap again, or should I just go ahead and sell it? Because I plan on selling it regardless. So should I just do the wrap, sell it for more, or don't do the wrap and just sell it? Subscribe to the channel if you're new, because we're doing this giveaway at 1,500 subs. You don't want to miss that shit. I'm telling you, don't want to miss it. So subscribe to the channel if you're new, hit that like button, and just like that, man, we out here.
And subscribe to my YouTube channel, and my Uncle Bob's YouTube channel, and my brother's YouTube channel, because they all of us got YouTube channels.
Actually, I got the Rex with me. Rex. Actually, I got the recipe. Yeah. Actually, these niggas mad at me. Why? Mad at me cause I smash his freak. Damn. Actually, ain't no cap with me. No cap. Your Majesty. Yeah, bitch, I'm a king. King.